Binusisi ng mga mambabatas ng BTA Parliament sa ipinatawag na special session ngayong araw ang Committee Report number 196 ng Local Government at Rules Committees hinggil sa BTA Parliament Bill numbers 403, 407, 408, 411, 415 at 416. Sa 6 na panukalang batas, ang BTA Parliament Bill number 415 ang aprobado sa committee level. Ang News Now sa report.
Pangunahing mayakda ng panukalang batas sina Members of Parliament na Gibbs Narimbo, Kitem Kadatuan Jr., Tumanda Antok, Alindato Pagayaw, Ibrahim Ibay, Butch Malang, Abdul Basit Benito, Maruf Candao, Amir Zakaria Rakim, at Ali Rakim Munder. Habang co-authors naman sina MP Dan Asnawi, Ahmad Abbas, Said Sheikh at Susana Anayatin.
I think this is the first time that we've reached 70 in a session. I've been consistently attending the sessions of the Parliament. This is the first time we've reached this number. Indicates the importance of the legislation that we are currently tackling. At the outset, allow me to thank the Chief Minister for earlier requesting a special session for the Parliament so that we can fast track and immediately pass the legislation that would apportion the parliamentary districts in the Bangsamoro with the aim in view of honoring our commitment to hold an election in the soonest possible time, preferably within the year. Let me also at the outset indicate that for this bill, the Chief Minister has issued a certificate of urgency. And for the record, may I read it, Mr. Speaker? 17 December 2025, the Honorable Muhammad Yaqub, PhD, Parliament Speaker, the Bangsamoro Transition Authority, Cotabato City. Dear Speaker Yaqub, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pursuant to the provisions of Article 7, Section 25E of Republic Act Number 11054, I hereby certify to the necessity of the immediate enactment of the BTA Bill Number 415 entitled An Act Providing for the Apportionment of Parliamentary District Representative Seats in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes. To ensure the fair, equitable, and timely apportionment of parliamentary district representative seats in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao for the Bangsamoro, signed Abdurauf A. Magakua, Chief Minister.
Jen Garcia, iMinds, Philippines.